Cardano ADA, $400 million. $400 million. That is a lot of money. What am I talking about? Well, I'm going to get into that in this video. As always, thank you for your support, and let's do this. Okay, so what am I talking about? Well, before we do that, I want to talk to you about real quickly what's going on with Cardano. It's similarly doing what's going on with the overall crypto market. Overall crypto market is flat, lackadaisical, whatever kind of word you want to put on it. Not a whole heck of a lot going on. Bitcoin, Ethereum, languishing. Got some good words today. So Cardano, if we take a look at what's going on in them and maybe look at the 1 month, you'll see, looks like there's a lot of volatility here, right? But there's really not. We've been moving from about a high of say 41, 42 cents, give or take, down to a low of about 35 cents. So we've had about a 6-cent swing here. And so it's really kind of channeling, consolidating, if you will. It looks like there's a lot, not as much as you would think if you kind of look at, the actual movement. It's about a, 5 to 6 cent swing. Okay. So the 400 million that I'm talking about is total amount that is value, that is TVL, total value locked. Okay. So if you're like wondering, what does that mean? Okay. Well, basically means that there's over $400 million worth of ADA that is locked up right now, if you will. Okay. And so what does that really mean? Okay. So what is that? All right. Well, TVL, okay, refers to the amount of crypto that is locked in smart contracts within the DeFi ecosystem, locked within inside, of the Cardano ADA DeFi ecosystem. But here's what it really means. It serves as a measure of the overall activity and liquidity within the system. So it's very impressive. This is a hugely impressive number, with that the 400 million, that demonstrates the growing confidence and interest in the platform's DeFi offering. Okay. This is a scenario where I just wanted to point this out to you. It's going to be a really quick video. I want to point this out to you. I'm a massive fan of Cardano ADA. I'm also a fan of Ethereum, right? And I believe I have this kind of house analogy. I love owning Ethereum and ADA and, others, and they're each different, Polkadot, right? They're each different in their different regards. But to me, I love being a part of those. For whatever reason, I have a house metaphor in my brain. I look at ADA as the foundation of the entire, obviously, Cardano ecosystem. And I like owning, part of the Cardano, foundation ecosystem, right? Just like Ethereum is the foundation of the Ethereum ecosystem, and they each have their own pros and their cons and all that kind of stuff. But to me, one doesn't preclude the other. I mean, there's no reason not to own both of them, in my opinion. Right now, this is obviously not investing advice. You got to do what's right for you, but that's how I look at it. And so this $400 million in TVL, total value lock, is very, very, very impressive. It was worth highlighting. With that, thanks. Just letting you know. I'll see you. Bye.